Good morning, everyone. This is Anirvan. I'm the author of Direct Ad University. Today, we're going to see how we can run Google Ads on a small budget for businesses. This is one of my clients' account. Let me show you here. I have selected one of my campaign, and I'm trying to go to the settings of the campaign to show you what bidding strategy I'm using, because bidding strategy is very much important in Google Ads. Now I'm using manual CPC. Now manual CPC is a manual bidding strategy, okay, and other bidding strategies which you see in creating a campaign, okay, under the bidding. I mean, let me show you. When you create a campaign, you get mainly this option. Just a minute. Oh my God, what's happening? Yeah, so when you create a campaign, you mainly get four bidding strategies: maximum clicks, maximum conversion value, target impression share, right? So these are these four bidding strategies are automated bidding strategy. It means Google control this bidding strategy. But and you know, more you give control to the Google will ruin your budget. So always when your pocket is tight, means your budget is very limited, so you should always target keywords and bidding strategy which is manual CPC. Okay, now what exactly manual CPC is? Manual CPC help you to bid for certain keywords on Google Ads. For example, you know your high converting keywords and you want to rank on them to get conversions, right? So in that case, manual CPC will help you. Now what are the disadvantages of manual CPC? Number one disadvantages is sometimes manual CPC only can bring traffic if you don't know the high converting keywords. But if you know the high converting keywords, then you should always go with the manual CPC, manual bidding, because this will control your spending over Google platforms through advertisement. Okay, so this is number one. Number two tips is that the IP exclusions. What exactly IP exclusion is? um, you should always enable cookies on your landing pages to understand the, cookies helps to get the IP addresses of devices, those who were submitting leads or those who are visiting our website. Okay, sometimes what happen, our competitors and other bots and in people from other countries, they ruin our budget a lot through clicking on our ads. Okay, it happens. If you are a big company like a solar, real estate and all, competitors, they click on competitors ads to ruin their budget, okay, to waste their budget, and also submit fake leads on their landing pages. So this happens. So to overcome this problem, you need to submit their IP addresses from here, IP exclusions and save. Okay, this is how you can control your spending. Now let me show you something else also. Now under the audiences, you should always, just a minute, network issue. Yeah, you should always uncheck the unknown here. Okay, by default it always enables, but you need to uncheck these ones. If you know, if you do not disable these two options, Google will drive invalid clicks, bot and suspicious clicks to your website, which can uh, waste your money a lot. Okay, now other things are like the ad copy. Your ad copy should be relevant with your keywords. Okay, otherwise it will not perform well and your ad will not show to the top. Okay, so everybody wants to get into the top, so you need to work on your ad copy as well. In the location, location also very important. You should always, just a minute, I have some network issue. Yeah, so for example, I'm targeting for a local business actually, that's why for only one location. Now uh, just a minute. This is very difficult from here. So what you can do is go to the campaign settings. Here you can see the location. Okay, now under the location options, always select the second one if you are advertising for local businesses. But if you are a real estate company and you know that from United Kingdom to Seattle people buy properties, so in that case always enable the first one. And but for those who are looking for advertising their local businesses, then the second option is relevant. Okay. Okay, I hope that's clear. Yeah, let me show you something else. Yeah, keywords. Okay, here you can see I'm bidding $1.60. Okay, for this specific keywords. Now, how to understand how much need to bid to get into the top? Google will recommend you Google will recommend you the average bidding amount, and you have to enter a bigger amount than that. For example, Google is recommending you to bid for $1 for this keywords, and you need to bid for $1.20 for this. This is in this way you can rank higher on search engine. Let me show you how you. For example, you are not from this country and you want to know my website, whether my website is ranking or not. So in that case, just go to the insights and reports, uh, auction insights, and here select the date also. Okay, and here you can see that I'm on top. Okay, and so this is also you can check impression share, impression wise I'm on top of the page rate on top. And your competitors also, you can understand the competitors from here. Okay, I think that's pretty much clear. And yeah, that's all. These are the basic things that you need to understand. And basic means these are very important aspects to understand to control your spending on Google Ads. And that's for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, so you can watch my other videos also. And if you want to book a call for the consultancy or for the services, then you can check the description. You will get some links and some contact infos. You can contact me directly. Okay, bye, have a nice day.